Y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope everyone is having a marvelous day. I know I am. And you know what I say, any day above and not under is a blessed day. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all can do me one more favor too. Share this video. Sharing is caring. All right, let's get started. Today, y'all, I'm doing, seafood boil. I haven't done one in a minute, so. And I went to the Juicy Crab. Okay, I got king crab and lobster tail with some with a potato, broccoli, and corn. Then I have these crab breads that they had, and I bought some calamari, but I've been outside ripping and running, and they done got cold and soggy. But that ain't gonna stop me from eating my food. And I got some lemon juice, y'all. It is what it is. And I got some ground folks drink today. Nice cold one. All right, let's get started. I want to try this bread. Excuse me. Yeah, it's actually good. It's garlicky. You can taste the crab and cheese on there. It has a nice light taste to it. It's really a... Anyway, food fam, how is everybody doing? Okay. Y'all, I got the super spicy sauce. The extreme.
Yeah, they looked at
right. The extreme spicy.
You remember those looks you were getting in there?
Yeah.
They're like, you sure?
She's like, you sure? I'm like, yup, give me the extreme spicy. So y'all, tonight I'm gonna be crying if it's really spicy like that. Oh.
Like how that wasabi had you on the sushi.
You know it hit you, but that taste go away quick.
Oh, that's true.
But anyway, y'all notice my eyes kind of red. Yeah, I went and got my lashes done today.
She looking good.
Yeah, it's my first time. I ain't never had my lashes done before. The very first time. I never thought I needed it. Because when I do put on mascara, they extend pretty long to me, so I thought I was fine. I like this bread this time. That's good. That's there. Well, I don't know what kind of dip this is. Let's try. And y'all, I love me some calamari. I'm kind of upset that, you know.
They got a little cold. They got a little cold. But they don't stop from tasting good.
Yeah, ain't gonna stop me. Nope. There you go, foodie fam. Yeah, it's good. That's really good. Now I gotta dip into this here. But I gotta get gloves for that. Them spicy things. Ooh. In my eyes, no baby. Cause you know you will rub. I think yesterday I did that. Ate something spicy and then I rubbed my eyes, boy.
Murder. But it feels like...
Man, I was like, oh my God. I was like, Mama, you alright? No.
There's nothing like eye pain and a tooth pain. Man. Ooh. Okay. itch you can't scratch.
I had the worst toothache in my life when I was pregnant with my second daughter. Shut up. Man, that was a hellified toothache, boy. I don't like them things. That's the only one I've ever had. I don't know why I had that one too. But you know what I tell my daughter? I said, you gave me hell in my stomach and you giving me hell now. Shit. Yes, y'all. I ain't had a lobster since when, Shoshana?
It's been a minute.
I don't know. But
I think our last seafood boil was what, 6 king crab, 4 lobster tail.
I think so too. Today we having
a simple seafood boil.
juicy crab.
That's a pretty good lobster tail though, man.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, it look good.
Y'all.
Ooh,
Don't do it.
I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna make you scared.
I ain't scared. Scared of what, child? Scared of what? Y'all ready? You want some? Do you want some? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I want some.
Better talk to me when I'm talking to you. Here you go. I can't hold it too far out, you know. It's dripping. Alright.
She ain't got no reaction. It ain't hot.
I'm waiting for it. I'm actually waiting for it. It ain't hit me.
Her tolerance level is Abby loves. She loves tolerance level for heat. It's so high. But she don't work. She trained herself. So
Yeah.
so them old videos, she used to be so funny.
But you know, it's just now I stopped really cooking with all that spice.
Mm-hmm. Your spice used to be death. Especially when she curried anything. Oh gosh. I can't eat that tonight.
Oh.
What happened?
Utah.
I love y'all foodie fam.
I love y'all foodie fam. I've been busy today. Like,
Since she had her last appointment, we just been down. Gosh.
the last appointment,
Was at 11.
I didn't get out of there till 3 o'clock. This broccoli is how I like it.
I can tell.
It's not overcooked. I don't like overcooked vegetables. I just feel like you kill the vegetable.
Well, also you lose all the nutrients.
Once you put it to the heat
Anything.
anyway.
Yeah.
But I just think to overcook your vegetables or but this is very good.
So insanely hot ain't nothing for her.
I'm saying maybe they missed the insane somewhere along the line.
Woo! But does it have
Maybe they do, y'all.
Does it have a little heat to it at least?
A little bit.
Okay.
You could handle this.
Wow. That means it's not that hot.
It's not.
Cause trust me, I'm like a medium to low heat.
Well, let me turn this off before I burn up my bread. I gotta get back to them bread. Now come into my calamari.
How y'all liking the new do y'all?
Oh, y'all like my new girl?
Y'all gotta guess the price. Guess the price down there.
Here she go again. Here she goes again, okay?
Guess the price of the do.
Salsa leave y'all alone.
That's what I do to my cousin. You always play with cousins.
Welcome all the new foodie fams. Welcome everybody. My potato taste good. I love red potatoes. Red and
Seems like the final test is how their corn tastes. If they can get the corn right, they might have a customer.
No.
They just might have. Joe Willie was missing.
They sure was. I ain't been back there. This sure was. The lobster tail was little.
Yeah, that lobster tail was pretty neat.
It was little.
That one you just had was pretty neat. Oh, foodie fam. B-Day coming up. Cousins.
She over here planning up a storm. Y'all, I got 3 different butter sauces up in here.
Oh, yeah, I sure do. What is it? Butter sauce, Cajun sauce, and lemon pepper sauce. I don't know why I remember stuff like that.
Me neither.
So unnecessary to remember.
Hell if I be remembering that.
Girl, you don't remember nothing.
I swear.
You just don't remember nothing.
I swear.
You was like that lady at the last appointment today. She forgot everything.
Boy.
Ah.
Y'all, this food tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes good.
Delicioso.
Yes, it really do taste good. It was packed up in there.
Oh.
It was so packed up in there. And she's trying to make me not call in the order. Then they got my order wrong. I had to go back. Boy, that girl gonna tell me I put it in there. I said, no, you didn't. Don't play with me.
What I got a lot for free.
Right. Do not play with me.
And you know you had a lot of stuff when you had the bag with the little handle. We just had a little singular bag. Like,
I'm like, trying to check that bag. Child, the calamari wasn't in there, and these bread wasn't in there. I'm like, oh no.
and we
Turn it back around.
Paid for that. Mama don't play that. She was on it.
I don't know.
She got about that car.
Walked up in there like a mad woman. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Get my food.
Yeah, I
Give
see
me
she
what
got
I
them
paid
crab legs split, so she ain't got to struggle.
I sure did. I sure did. I said split them jokers. I ain't into. Do you not see these things on it? No. But y'all, these king crab legs that we find like at the stores and stuff, it's not like the ones they be having online. Them things be ginormous.
Or even the ones you find at Sam's Club or Costco.
For real.
It's just
Cause
like
these what they sell when you look at them.
they're
Like, is that king? That's king crab? That look like some regular snow crab, but that's king crab.
no, snow crab and king crab, they're different.
That's not what I'm saying.
Oh, like you did okay.
They're not big.
Same in size. Like
Same in size.
Yeah.
They not big.
Yeah, but they taste different.
They sure do.
Yeah, they're very different.
Sure do. I like snow crab, but it's too. I gotta work too hard. Even then.
If they already like pre-sliced and everything,
Just like this, I'm straight.
yeah,
I'm good.
well, you can get right to it.
Well, I don't feel like I'm going out there setting the trap. Setting the trap, then going back, go get the trap. You know, to get Oh, you know what? I should have did the no wipe challenge with this.
Oh yeah, don't wipe your mouth challenge.
Yeah, I have the beer. Would have been perfect. Forgot all about it. Dang, I forgot about the peanut butter and I forgot about
We're
that.
not doing that.
That challenge at Issa.
So we love you, but
Issa.
my mom's, when she gets sick or whatever, she gets real irritated. And I know how them Virgos are.
Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. So she don't you don't want to be my nurse? Y'all want to be my nurse? Oh, it's like that?
Shoot.
Hold on.
You get real grumpy.
You know what I tell my kids? And I don't own the rights to this
I don't.
music. Y'all, but this is one of my favorite songs.
Oh, God. Here we go. For the
9 months, I carried you, growing inside me. No charge. Be telling them all the time. All the time. Mr. and Caesar. I love that woman, okay? Yes.
Okay, first of all.
Ain't no first of all. Oh, I want the little piece up in her. But I don't know how you get that thing. I ain't about to try neither. I ain't about to. I did that. Yeah. Get it. I did that.
Yummy.
Yummy. And go the corn. I'll say the best for last, okay?
It better be good.
Better be. It ain't even that sweet.
Oh, gosh.
It ain't even that sweet. But
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Every time you get it from Fisherman Island, they get it right. She loves that corn. I'm like,
that corn be so sweet.
yeah, you gonna have to act up for like 2, cause she be. I was like, can you save me a corn? No.
That corn, very good. You know, so good. Really scrumptious.
They missed it with the corn,
But
it's okay.
yeah, that was the only thing that's missing. Is the corn. Everything else was on point.
Yeah.
No, they messed with this heat too.
Oh yeah.
Cause this ain't. I'm thinking that it's gonna be super hot to where I can't even eat it. Okay, cause it's extreme.
I think the only thing that I had that's true to the heat is like you know, like places like Buffalo Wild Wings or Hooters. When they say their stuff is hot, bro, that stuff is hot.
Dang. I finished that. Hold on.
Think she like them gloves, y'all.
I do.
She ain't wipe her hands and shit.
I do.
That milk messy though.
Hey, that's a challenge. Yeah. Hold on. Now I can go back to this. Calamari. Man, I need to move this out of my way.
She just sounds like such a struggle, doesn't she?
It was a struggle. I wish my calamari was like right out the fryer.
You had to be at the restaurant for that one. It was so packed in there. It was just like,
you know, calamari like right out the fryer, like hot. It's like the bomb. Yeah. Juicy crab. Yes. Maybe next time the corn will be better.
Maybe.
Maybe. But it's okay. It's okay. Everything is like really good. This bread, this little crab bread, it's like really light and just nice. Yeah, I know I love my carbs. I love bread.
I was just about to say. Bread.
I love bread, so it's like you can't go wrong with it. Taste that. Open wide. Come on. Got it? All right.
I think they picked the right bread too. To compliment it. Like it's like not a big piece of bread.
Good old white bread. Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with white bread.
My boyfriend hates that I don't like wheat bread. I just don't like it.
I buy it, but you know.
I don't like it. I see wheat bread coming in. I'm like, I'm
my
not.
peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Woo! On white. Baby, don't play.
White bread is right. I'm sorry.
White bread is it. Y'all, dinner was scrumptious. I love you, foodie fam. Bye.